Ebuzia ya ne de nyina bi aka ho say adwuma ye no we share different types of individuals, but omo great. Celestine wa ha and Solomon so wa ha na yinu aba konso so ha men so menenam happy, but the me den no so onyame say abofra no oye great. Ede na Celestine so was start eachiri una omiemi aso hwe ho yo na watwi me mfa amasem ma wo so. Right, good morning, baby bia wutie na wo hwe yem bia o Facebook amemo akwaba na wo twi de on se nyame adom abom homodina bada bia to aso saa mama abose na nse me ba yeso kan dai mai mo adwuma ba akonya ansa afibia no edamakuma so. In fact, my radio ministry there by bia na me di rapper a prison ministry. I know there for many years and yenne. Nyame adoma next week he say yeah kotema akoye street devotion. But on Friday no it is a new week. And then I watch here you be call in some prisons. Do you want to support? Because every kama mimi drew me media so I'm a catcher. This one we want to go and support our brothers and sisters over there in the prison. Ketwa obi to me their support, Kesia obi to me their support no. Obi to me aye. Say ye di bronya enti omo so di bronya say nye bad o. Mubu no mama frela no anya no nyeze ne be wa no sheda boapa say okay mama so support prisons ministry ne kakrai to betumi a kakra bia obetumi ne dodo a obetumi bia ne wa isa va Yesu kan se me koda fiase na oba behwe me. So there is nothing wrong. Semen so me catch say you know ebia obi oni akrobe bo ukro no na wakoda ho. But bia wo mokwa their lives become reformed. Zero 244-710-311 0244-710-311 0244-710-311 I'm in Canada last 0244-710-311 don't worry yourself. You can give the support. Say a simple capro, you bet me the IBB ama. We are going to feed about 1,000 people. Feeding them. Nah, just like a cry bit me aya to us be an aya. Caribbean sir, let's support. All right. How can I say you know? Ebebo worship kakra. Worship kakra de kunyame anim no. Enem se nyame hira. Ade Rosamade, good morning. Mama Pedro, good morning. Pacho ho ye de. Mama Pepra macho na bibia boko de. Afishia pa na mema munyina. Nanama Auntie Nanama Tema Nako Fashion Auntie Nanama. Now how you there? 3Ds. Good morning. Auntie B, yakasa yache. Auntie Beatrice Awire. Bibi abako there. Mama Tego, Bibi I find there. Ofan it Dromo song. Kofi, who have it? And no, DC, you know. Is a young castle. I did. And right, trap 4. Is a credit dean. So let's say good morning. Now, what to say, dear? And then never again the chat tour in the month and in the year. I don't know. So we are on our program number, so all white today.
Worship.
All white worship. All white worship. Solomon, good morning, sir. Just Mike, you know, Dana meeting with the Bemus and say, you know, or Mokai. I'm Mokai, or Medemi or Mokai, and I'm a tea, but oh, meet you one more kind, I'm a tea. But I'm a Kayo. I just say you are important. You are very, very important. Okay. Okay, all right. And so, sorry, Radinameti as a for. Ajewa, good morning.
Morning, Papa.
Oh, yeah, dear.
I'm Adom.
Yeah, dear, Radias. Oh, yeah, Basri, and I am Methodist, and I am Anglican.
But I'm a corporate, but
Basri. Okay, all right. Okay, Adwecha. Okay, good morning. Right, and I pay so let's say dear now catch so what type social media what type dear now catch and sana you intend to the worship now what you dear my yeah
I guess I was sorry and I pay a moji dear friend wo mu dear any enkambum na yenye worship no
hallelujah
Ochina nyo bia dia
debut
sisabre ya hu sa otiase na ye dia enti atiasefo nso ne be nyame aye
atiasefo ne be nyame aye
se o sorry ne na chese nyame ama another life de bia me kasa de chi bia nyame ma ye another life so ama another life I want to mean sorry
debut
enti wa sorry there for akoma edi worship ne chi na yewia ohone de atoa
yewia de ohone de atoa so bre no kra zo ndi yafa bre no sese yakasa bi ko nti de aka ne yaketua bi na busua sene ya selesendon ko kai no emre no nya wodia ada no nya wodia nyame ma bi toa na wodo na seda ne nas ye ne ntrontrom ne nkamfo ne kron ye ne pagya na de ama no nti abra ye trontrom nyame ne ye kron nyame na ye hye nyame di kronkron ne monyame na wo so wode wakoma ne wadwene nyina adosuko abra why we are worshiping the Lord abusia woni wo ma woni okuno woni wo yire ye nyina no yemfa osebo yemfa ntrontrom yemfa opagya yemfa kronye ema ono asafo awurade a wahwe yenso a ma yewura bosome a aye dumienu yimu no oni yendi ne bonimo awurade ne yendi ne bonimo kukura hwe ase wa abrabom de nanso awurade ne yendi ne bonimo how ni amane wo abrabo no modie nanso awurade oni ni bone no kra oni ni bone mo senka bia se wo hwe sunsum na nka wa huna aginasie ene epo bia atamfo ebobo ya nyankopon na owo yafa ifado owo yafa wa abra wo hunu no you don't see this God and he's been fighting on your behalf udi akwa kese ema wanopa wia ne anajo etimini wo kasa se woni mu ko akase nyame adi amawa sunsuma posifo sunsuma sojafo a nyame ayi amawa omhwe wo so a ekamfa ne mani e grossa. God has been so wonderful in our lives. If we die wo ye bepem ne ene you be awoda, but I can tell you say nyame ni wadi ne yie krofo bi sinkunya e shedit e pebrebia nke de bedwiri wo na nke yasewo senye urade ne wo ye na fa enye urade ne wo ye na fa ebreni pe science ebusia eni pe science o eni pe science eni pe sie ho nkunya ni pe science eni pe sie ho nkunya enye urade ne wo ye na fa me ka say wo bi wuti ne suo enye urade ne wo ye na fa de ukunu mpo adwiniti awo de wo yiri dwiniti awo Nkrofo a wo no omo ye nyame dwuma de omo dwene ti awo. In fact, omo bopo esusu ye epede bia omo de be so power brew ne wo maase. Ya ne wiase kura ya na mebisa wo se de ne nipa agie. Wonya kakra tim obi so benya bia how. Ade wiase no nko a wo dia. And the pen also for Charles, I don't know can say, will be one of my when I cry an opponent. It's a political opponent. Then woo. No, we say, we are a dear now, Benya. Also, Tanaso, so be so by wish with the same moon. Be so by wish yourselves to non cause woo. Send your wishes in and say, I bear was you won't fail. You also so bad, I will be so by wish yourselves who be failing. It's a general pama wouldn't catch you only and so on so CD. If you say we are say ba ye nyamena cheche enkrabia nyina wa awurade nsem enkrabia wa awurade nsem o etiman nya ho te se de wo na wo bibia aya wo dia Ghana sika nyina ye de ma wa wo de ekohene Ghana nsase nyina ye de ma wa Ghana ema nyina ye de ma wa wo de ekohene mema nyina ye de ma wa wo de ekohene fa ade enko na wo pede wo wiase a woni brade sa asori ba akwa ye nyina ye bo Yesu din kakra Wonkwa pese oji bibia bosso na nka wonkwa na nipa nyina amra wasore wo ho anwanwa me ya na ho ya menwanwa o enyo kakra ya tu no Yesu din mu na wo senka Mary kura wo busuani ni Mary anka ba ya de wo yi ezu ni Mary babia eno ni Joseph babia wo pese nka wonnum nkwa na obi antie wo ho anwanwa wo ho werem me ya na menti wiase niema biase o radio ya ye obinya kakra betena so a no otwampoa we ye hwan sa wo keka nyansa be kura na wo wadwene because nipa wo mo pe radio atie nyame asem no there are many numerous of people when your opportunity no a wo de kakra wo betumi aka because all people and all human beings in Ghana here we cannot listen to one person. We can't listen to one person. Me make us say obi tie peace, obi tie on mine, obi so tie joy, obi so tie shira. Tani ya no. Adwuma ne so. There are diversities. Ladies and gentlemen, it may be obi ye nyame adwuma, we are Presbyterian, we are Anglican, we are Methodist. That is where my heart is. I don't think about resurrection power and living bread. Resurrection power and living bread for munko ametumi ade akra nyina. We can do that. Eti wunya kakra na wo ya wo de aye na ye nyina so ye de ye nyina be kwa kogina nyame ani mama na buya konta awade ba kwa ware fie ho wo be se won kwa na ye important adwo ho nwanwa akoso ya ho nwanwa eti bibia ye kura na bebe fie ho age akantan so no aye ho te se of friends kro koko mama nyune shop kakra nyina ton Ghana rice wo ba se won kwa na ye to de e de asem fruit ya ton no kwa ho we tese wa yaw apafo ni sha adwuma ne soso ma apafo ni kwan ma sofo ni bebre mrem ma jobto for the bebre dikin kakra wo be ye wonko awaje aboso ye kase ye beto aba na we ti power emeko kakra wo be ye we dia wo be so di emeko leader sa forever na ya bushia so say be ni mebo ya na tetemi o posi ni kakra wo be di ye wo be se wonko na bribe nyina ye de hye wonsem DJ say enja onyonko nyombo wutimi ko tua DJ presenter bi sikase mesro mun awana jiska we mambo mo sere say nyom mambo mo daughters nyom mambo mo friend say ohima mercy na wa ko tua sika ati wa no wadwene kura chi na wo say dia na wo gie dia na wo hwehwe abrochire enya kakra Germany wo Holland wo Romania wo Finland wo was on Bessu obi abekobi e de enko na wogie binya ya nke beko kesa kira embassies for ya mo man krofo visa na de na hamo mo ma yi kura no ba bi o ma wo pani pa mo ma ya adwuma mo ma free visa na ya nwurawura hobi e de asem Flagster House we will be say it is a sofi bi adia kenten so at say Flagster House any bottom sika e de asem wanya baby kakra mama obi nso ngura ho kakra bi ai age aboso e wonko afa age aboso wonko asom uwa ya no asesare nyina na ade ko ye jani nyina emuma wa wonko abetumi aye sala se mawieka 31st year members obi be say onu nko na sorry what is the billboard say you dey HBC bi billboard akata si je dey ba bi haba bi obi tiasi o obi ese billboard na so do dey kekra ka bata ni sana ye dey just me na mo mitimi dwene saa niam we say what is wrong with human being demonic selfishness, unnecessary competition. My keyboard no matter from and some year can hear, and some way I can say no, some concrete now poniamba. When you did the young when that was every Sarah the best of Missy Eratina Odinipa Nana Mosisi Nana Pan Naquanina Sonemi Oh Sabuyasia Wuriasina Wurika Femuta every Sarah Eradibe so Obesomensa Obesomensa the Wonyamibia Oradia Obesomensa Bejasia Bejasia Wurika Femuda Every
Fast. Me who say demon or ya crack it tick. And I am man that day. And I on their show be nine. And I nipana as I speak nipano hospital. Na sa demon or ya crack it was a 3 years. Ojina huna all monitor. Sebe ya sada dia no enyi. But Abraham Jesus did. So I will nine now. Eya wo ya na into the hospital no. Eya demonic yare. But erade yatre. Enti on bebie. Sa dia that dia lock you kotodwe area no. Aye friend no arthritis no. It is demonic. But at the mention of this name this morning, we cannot be there. But the Holy Ghost is there. Jesus is there. And as we mention the name Jesus, let that demon bow. Let it 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 bow. Madibo Cabrada Bahada. Revadibo Sebra Kabadaba. Remadibo Sebadabeda Bradaba. In the name of Jesus. Yes, Jesus. Jesus.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. In the same vein of worship, Abraya Sore Radi, Monsieur T. Celestin, as the tears drop, let me tell you. Adia Tomakuma Sopa this Friday, Yema Wungu or Bonnie. Yet to a worshiping in our Kamu Bruhun for them say, O Bonnie to set Dambra Mampa. O Bonnie. I'm not Menka Yang. Wo because we'll be a brandy who sumama se beye day na mademeho. And found we do our nom and son do our nom. In no to do a woody a good nipedia. So bunny it is a damrama habaim pa. Radiso bemana hoa. Na it is a suchrema. I pay a my bringing in sound or driver on combat me a packet because why you're confused, you just feel like dying. But in such worship atmosphere, yentena se maungu or bonim. Ene nyame kura so no aka se ompese nipa bone ni bi ebewu won ne bonim. Nyame mpewu, nyame mpe. Nyame ne nye ho ompese wo bone no a wadi no a adodore wo no ompese obewu wom. Wodim se sie salasin be di wanim just 1 minute. Wo pay mu ka obone na wo gye ho mu a enne ya no wa be ye born again. Enye kina ye mo wo sune. Them found Bible studies bia, but thousands of people right now say or do born a becho. So listen.
Maybe I will be a good peja on sabako. Unkwana wo de. A way a winning yanko pontem asem. A destiny wasem or shebre.
Thank you, Lord.
A decision bia a who here.
Thank you, Lord.
Inti enwene de ohwe wo.
What it is between you and your God.
It's between you and your God.
Unkuto.
Inti faunsa eto akoma so anase ubetimi epagya so a amfo akoma di empaibo ye chini ameke bia wo de kebi efa edi mechi. Kase erade Yesu. Ene day. Me no abodi.
Me Yaw Owusu
Me Celestine Donko. Me fawo.
Yesu.
Eye me cry.
So ye me cry.
Ene majenkwa. Kase me sanka biom. Kase me Celestine Donko.
Me Yaw Owusu Ansah.
Me fawo Yesu. Eye me cry. Eye me
cry jenkwa.
Me ne wo benante. Efi ene eko. Ediko wiase ne wie. Eti erade boa me. Hom konkron boa me. Ne tutu manamo esi. Efi ene eko. Me pese me ne wonante nukredie mu. Erade boa me. Sa wo bo sampa ye bia. Me pese wo digidie
tachire.
Na wo de nyame ase.
Thank you, Jesus.
Na afei me magidie ne enso hwa.
Thank you, Jesus.
Ya sorry bi na fa wo shemu. Sa wo ni asori bi akwa ye de wo bi wo resurrection power.
Thank you for saving my life.
In a benwa.
Sorry. Presby for me and son is see how omo bo bi.
Sorry bi e be wo bia no. Enya
Methodist, Anglican, Musama Disco Christo Church.
Near Benwubia. Utumi Edo Wodo. Na ukonso amenye member keke.
Debi.
Chasi e prapra. Ye oshe jumani.
Prapra sorry dem.
Ye bia fa uzem. Obia
enkoye ho sikani wo ho. Kopra ho ase. Na kosom.
Wo ase.
Wo som papa wo som no. Wo gina nyame ani mo bebisaw. Free ne ya e ma dodo ana no amana mo confess jai me ma dodo no a baba ko ompranko ya 21 ene ya anya so apam aka keke jai
eni bre ne ntokwa bone
san tokwa ne manso twi bi no a watwea wo ne fiefo nyina ya aka no wapam aka jai so jai kura na ne Awurade enante ene Awurade na with the prison spiritual prison and then they sa pa mu kan wo kan se sia ya ye nua basra se ka ye ne se sia sa chains no atete afri ho kura. You have become a born again. You have become and now wo be call heaven. Where you simple work and now wo be call heaven. And no so na the most important thing. And ya sorry panyina wo kwa akoye. They must see you have been born again. You have been born again. The time I know I now my this announcement say Nyame Adomwa Ebeko prisons. From Monday yebo tema community number 4 street devotion. But if you don't know Yebeko and someone prisons. Obaso 0244710311. My dear one is Samuel Odamelabi. WhatsApp also line is 0509 15 1010. 0509 15 1010. Prison mission or dear or support no 0244 710-311. Or maybe I was with you, maybe I can in your home frame. Support it. Kakrebi are the best support to be in shot. Do also so north. Yeah, could feed in the Papa 1,000 and over. And intimate free me, Yaw Owusu Ansah Butum. They will be me free one so butum. Let's go and feed them and fellowship with them. When to me, Yanko. But okakra betumi akwa akoma e de city bi akɔhye ye nuanom mo prison no afibia no last year and we have a lot of project and we ni so ye betumi no ma ye so listen na me adom menim say Friday Ochina
2 o'clock.
Ochina 2 o'clock. Oh, 2 on. We are kete.
Baba best 7 day ni apon.
All right.
My all white worship.
All white worship.
My father's house.
Okay.
Resurrection prayer living bread.
All white. So when you say all night, you say all white.
Yeah, prophetic.
All white.
Yeah, planet. Me no grand discuss. So nyama na share so pepe. Ni nyina so your resurrection prayer living bread. Dan so man.
Any day anymore to dear. Many are sorry and yaka. Yes, you don't any problem. Yes, you don't any problem.
Free and they hear me teachers so come be a pese sorry nyame. Now I come a pese de nyame ase.
Yes.
For ni me be a nyame aye. Afi mu nyina. Wo de onye hwe kra na wo nkwan.
Wa ye bi. And from our home, then will be a the oxygen has seen so.
Oh, chia,
they said, na oh, so minisika. Yes, you in Monadi.
I dare to see a year,
yet the piano him, Utia.
Only sa condition, I won't appreciate it.
I'm on for anymore. And from my dear support to a more Kumana Bocacrano. It's a bill on the man, no. Bonisika, the Tria. Will be somebody be Triano, who send them from any binim,
Ekuno. A beer to me down. Yeah, that's where Rebecca was a beer to me. Or Kojaya, sir. I am a surgery. Now, so that that's Rebecca was White worship. Celestine don't come ministry, no. Me will move out into Chimney, no me a ma a good year, and I'm a what up and coming singers. I am mentoring ministry.
Okay.
Into a carbon 2% back now, so do but don't want you to need.
You can come.
Yeah, you can
join
and
be part.
And if you love to worship, just come. It's free. 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Just meet great ministers. We have more opportunity. New beyond so I interacted.
Okay.
But
all night, never again. Nana G, the last one. So you can be part of it. You and Nana G. Fa uyirene wo mane ufiefo na monyina mombra mienhia osofo boat ene wachina na adeche usi o papa e won suta kwa man na zo ye no kumase patase osofo boat oye nsuta kwa man de hye o papa nzo free nsuta kwa man sachire hona ye kwa ye no Diana Hobson Diana so o maame Diana Hobson Anya Hamilton Hobson Diana Hobson and so woman made that from Diana Kiumi former musical president. Hey Diana. Okay, and also and there watching an addition yes ye wo mame enti adofrom mienkuja ye nua bay na ese fatasi yakota nachi
Pacho, Ebiana announcement will be Casana at 10. One TB obit me a fresh 024.
Catch on so Casana yet
02407 19133
Toboneka and you could
0
and you sweetie 24
07 19 133. Yeah. And I'll call Instagram. So I say, don't call music. And a Facebook. Who flyer. No knowing your information direction. You know.
You tell pump to say. You know. If you have friends, sweet. But we know who's sick. You know. We know friends are not even answer. Coffee. Backslider. Obviously, I do see Anna CJ Abadada. I feel the query and Pacho Yasha. Oh, drive one Pacho, drive carefully. Mamma cook Quentin and Munina, one driver carefully. Woman in now. Yen president be a post for so ye Juma say moto be on the name Krumhano. The piano with Jinajina, Ayapa, when you know sa. Mamma when you bribe, why? When you know I'm on checky boot, I'm on checky bibia, Mamma when you hey, why? Obazo teacher, God bless you, teacher, but a teacher, no, God bless you. Here, teacher for a cost strike in a month, why? I'm on the much radio, my why? Yami Adoma, a Juada, the Bishop Tema. Presby Asafo, Yadamasi, why?Amishramo, Papa, Mishramo.